Hello everybody, today I'm making a review about a problem with the Streamer X, Rode Streamer X. I like the unit, but we have a big problem with it. So, you see, it's connected to the computer, it works. I'm using Mac Mini M1 computer, a Biodynamics headphones. I'm using a Shure microphone. So the problem is each time the computer is going into sleep mode or I turn it off, or even if I haven't used it for a long time, the streamer gets disconnected. Then to make it work, I should unplug all the cables and plug it again, only then it works again. So the streamer connected with the original cable direct to the computer in the Thunderbolt port, no adapters. The power adapter also plugged in. Okay, the power adapter USB, it's HDMI, it's headphones, and the microphone are connected. So let's see. I'm putting the computer in the sleep mode. Okay, let's wake it up. Oh. So you see, it's disconnected. So if anybody have the same problem, I would be happy to hear about it. So maybe together we'll make a road to solve this problem much faster, because I have mailed them already a few times. They just asked me if I use an original cable and if the power adapter is plugged in. I answered them that yes, and I wrote it in the first letter. they So I'm waiting about few weeks already to no answer about it yet. So I will be happy to hear about it if you have any news. So good luck to everybody. But actually I like how it works. It have a great sound. My wife working in dubbing movies and making the voiceover with this unit. But this is a big problem. Each time she need to plug and unplug all the cables to make it work, and it's real painful. So they should solve it fast. So thanks and goodbye.